welcome back to the channel. My name is Rafi Ali and I am here with another Go High Level tutorial video for you today, making your life easier. So in today's training video, I'm gonna go through how to use the new Go High Level form builder that Go High Level has just released. Basically, this new Go High Level form builder has a new, completely different UI, which is extremely easy to use. The previous one was sometimes buggy and sometimes a little complicated for a new user, but this time they have done a fantastic job, and now it's very easy. You can create literally a very good looking form under 5 minutes. So all you would have to do is first go to your sites, from there go to forms. After that, click on the add form button. You can choose templates. Go High Level have multiple templates as you to make your life even more easier, or you can just simply start from scratch to make it more customizable. Give it a second to load. Yeah, so it's here. So on the right hand side of the screen, you have the option of different styles and multiple options. I'm not going to go through all of them, but as you can see here, you can choose the background color for your form like this. After that, you can choose the color of your borders, the border type, corner radius. This is a good thing. Like, I'll show you for the button. So padding, shadows, and all of that stuff here for add form builder. Add elements from FormBuilder. So under elements, you would see multiple standard fields for Go High Level. These are all contact fields, all the information, various information that you can use in your form. And you can also create custom fields. Like, so let's say if you have a field that is not available in the standard field, so you can create a custom field of your own. So let's just start creating, setting up a form from scratch. Initially, I'm gonna go with an image. Right now, I don't think so. I have a logo of some sort, but let's just use this guarantee picture that I have, this graphic. So on the right hand side of the screen, we once again have option for styling. So I'm gonna change the width to 100. After that, let's go for full name, email, and let's say city, and add a button. So if now here, as you can see, the button is not so good looking. So let's change that up. I'm gonna first of all. So here's an important thing: to change the styling of an element, make sure you first click on the element, and then on the right hand side you will see all the options. So we click on button. From here we go to background. I want to change it here to red. You can also like change the text, like submit now, whatever. After that, you can add borders, you can add corner radius. This is the good thing, corner radius, that I was talking about earlier. Before that, like on the previous form builder, you first have to add border to it and then change border width, and then you would be able to add corner radius. But now you have the option to do that directly. So this is a good thing. I will change the width to full. I will change its width to full width. You can also add like custom width to it using padding and aligning it to center. That option would also be here somewhere. So let's create a custom field as well. You can custom fields from here. You can create custom fields either by going to your account setting, or you here on the form builder within, you would have the option to do that. So click on the button, and then there would be multiple type of fields that you can create, like checkbox, drop down, video select, signature, file upload. Let's say we add a file upload. This is okay, go to next. So now here you would have the option first of all to give it a name. Let's say your selfie. After that, here groups. So what are groups? Groups are basically all of your custom fields would be organized on the for the information under these groups. You can also create custom groups. For that, you can go to settings, go to custom fields, and there you will have an option to create custom groups. Like you can call it form information, or anything you prefer, and then you can add the fields here, so that way everything would be organized when it comes to extracting data. So I would choose this as contact group, and after that I would have the option to select a specific file, or all kind of files. then you also have the option to choose if you wanna give the user the option to only upload one file or multiple. So if I click on it, here it would give me a number box, and from here you can choose the limit. So I'm choosing 3. Once that is done, hit on save. Okay, so once that is saved, go here, select the name of your custom field. So it was selfie. So now I can come here and add it here. And let's drag this one to the top. So it's full name, city, email, your selfie, and submit now, the button. And as you can see, it's already looking like a good looking form. So we click on save, let it save. Then we check the preview. Here's another thing. So if you want to ever get the code for the form, or you want to have the embedded, like the shell link or the embedded code, you have to go to the form. From here you will click on integrate, and here you would see multiple options. So like for instance, if you want to get the embedded code, from here you can choose, is it a sticky sidebar, polite slide in, pop-up, inline. So this is all for like custom coded websites or WordPress websites. After that, you can have other multiple options here as well. But if you want to have a simple inline form, just click on here, and then it is already selected. Choose the options, your custom options, and then copy embedded code. It's that easy. And from here, you can copy the share link. Let's go to our form, and as you can see, it's a pretty good looking form. If you're a old user of Go High Level, you would know that not only it is easier, but this way, this organized way, the interface is quite similar to the funnel builder. So this way, obviously, you are able to navigate more optimizedly, and that way you are aware of more features. But I don't want to over communicate on this thing, but it's pretty good. Thumbs up to Go Help supporting. They have made very good changes on the form builder this time. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Like it's that easy. All you would have to do is go to the builder. Just remember that on the right hand side of the screen there would be sizes and options, and on the left hand side of the screen you would select the custom fields, and on the right hand side of the screen you would have different options and styling options as well. So that's pretty much it from today's video. Thanks for watching until the end. Have a nice day ahead. Bye bye.